Just fall already.
Be careful of what you wish for.
I have how many years till death? Hopefully. It's soon. And we could just get this over with. Like, just fall already. I was kidding!
Nah, these filters are straight up brutal. I don't know what he said, but I know that's not what he prayed for. It only gets worse. Wait for the last one.
Damn! Damn! Get down!
Bro cannot win.
Go in the hole. Yes. Let me cry.
That was just personal. Bro knows something we don't.
Tic na nós,